Hope in harmony with nature. Hope and nature are two forces that work hand in hand, reminding us of life's enduring beauty, resilience. Just as nature flourishes through seasons of change, hope is a constant companion even in the moment of uncertainty. In the book of Romans, we are reminded, for in this hope we are saved. Hope is not just a distant dream, but a living force, one that finds expression in the world around us. Look at the trees, rooted deep, yet reaching toward the sky. They stand firm through the storm, just as hope empowers us to weather life's challenges. Nature teaches us, even in times of barrenness, renewal is possible. Just as a field waits patiently for the rain, we too can wait with hope for the blessing that lie ahead. Hope is not passive, it's active, and it grows with every step we take in harmony with nature. As we walk forward, let us embrace both hope and nature, knowing that together they guide us toward a future of grace, renewal, and endless possibility.